You know, it's either this one or it's that one down the hall, that market agency. Hey, kid, why don't you watch where you're going?
Merry Christmas, kid.
This is looking pretty good. Are you gonna be able to get it done before we leave for the party?
I mean, I've got a little bit of ways to go, but
The client's hoping to see it today, so just hopefully we can get through it. We got a couple hours left, so do what you can.
all right.
Is that meeting set for next week?
Yep.
We'll get together on that directly following our Christmas party.
All right, perfect.
Sounds good. Shelley, you think everybody's ready to go?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, excellent. Front door, head count, 2 minutes.
Hey, Drew. Let's go to the Christmas party, man.
Okay, Christmas party time. Let's go. Everybody's here. Let's go. This is awesome.
Okay, Tom, I'm done. Tom? Is anyone here? Tom? Hey, Robbie! Robbie? You back there, man? Kavi? Shelly? What the heck? Lauren? Jared? Jared? What is this? Oh, Jared's sales manager. Woof. They're at the Christmas party. Shoot.
Really excited about this one. I think we can go. Hey,
Sorry.
watch it, kid.
Sorry, guys.
Jeez.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, kid.
Hey, Manny, what we can do is we're going to go in this place. There's a marketing agency. They're not going to be there. They've got computers, they got cameras, they got drones.
Do I get to fly the drone?
Yeah, sure, Manny. You can fly the drone. Listen, the important stuff here is they've got all of this equipment. Not only that, the real big ticket items aren't in the equipment. It's the marketing strategies they have. We'll take this stuff and go big. They left it open. Look. Do you see what I see? I see all kinds of stuff in there.
Is it the drone?
Tell you what, this stuff is it's like we hit the jackpot, Manning. We got to go get our stuff and come back, and we're gonna take all of it. Oh.
Come on, let's get that drone.
Okay, let's forget about the drone.
Bailey, go easy on the Pepsi.
When they come back, I'll be ready. Perfect. Yes.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one.
Good stuff in here.
I'm gonna go find that drone.
Manny, what are you doing? Get up. Just get up. I'm going this way. You go the other way. Oh, look at there. It's gold. Where'd it go at?
I think somebody's missing.
I can't. I counted everybody. Drew!
Where's that drone? Shoo. Whee. Wow, look at that. What? Oh! Gosh. Yeah. What is this? Gosh. Really? It's my only pair of socks.
Let's go get him. We have to go get him.
Why don't you just call him?
Why are you dressed like a chicken?
Where are your shoes?
Hey, come and get me.
Oh! Get him!
We got him. We got him. Mike, get up. I got him. What are you doing? What are you doing? No. What are you doing? What?
What are you doing, Manny?
Mike, don't move.
Manning?
Would you just go get him? Come on.
Hey man, do the thing. Do the thing. Come on. Do the thing. All right.
So I'm thinking if you do that first of January.
Yeah.
Look what you did, you little jerk.